It's gone. Yes. Hi guys, I'm live, and it's me, Pranita Pandit, and today we are going to be talking about a lot of products that are right here in front of you. सारे home से related products हैं, and it's going to be a lot of fun because yeah, this is the live link. Copy. I just want to make sure that we are. Yeah, so welcome to Home Okay Please with me, and yes, I'm right here with you guys. Just have a look at my cart right away. इसमें से कोई particular products जो आपको पसंद आ रहे हैं आप please मुझे बताएं. I am going to showcase that in detail, and I am going to share with you guys. I am just sharing my live ahead with a lot of people who would love to come and join. So let's wait for a minute, and within a minute I'm going to start showcasing each and every product, from candles to vase to like a nice diffuser to lampshade to a nice sitting to some rags to tissue paper holders. Everything that you can think of which will add value to your home is there in my cart. And let's not forget this beautiful foot mat too. I love it actually. I love the shape of it. ये अभी नया है तो इसलिए इसको मैं यहाँ पे रख दूँगी, and I'm not gonna just keep it. एक मेरे पास है actually. It's a set of 2 that you get. So yep, I think that is again a great deal. तो कृपया करके सारे products देखिए, and I'm gonna start showcasing all the products one by one, and we can have a little bit of discussion on that too. So any questions that you have, प्लीज़ आस्क मी. आई विल बी हैप्पी टू आंसर. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं किसकी. ओ माई गॉड, यू कैन सी देयर इज दिस ब्यूटिफुल कॉफ़ी मग और टी मग और जस्ट अ मग विथ अ लिटिल स्पून राइट हियर सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू मी. ऐसा स्पेस का डिज़ाइन है. सी एक्चुअली हम दिल तो बच्चा ही है इवेंचुअली, एंड चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, कितने भी बड़े हो जाए, you can never go wrong with these little quirky things in your house, and it looks so nice. Roam the universe, spacewalk. The color is beautiful. The work is really nice. Ceramic है, गिरेगा तो टूट जाएगा. So please do not to make sure कि गिरे ना, and handle with care है ये. It is not a product that you can just frivolously बोलते ना कि गिर गया. बहुत ज़्यादा सॉलिड ऐसी अंदर से आप देख लो. एंड सबसे अच्छी बात है कि जब अगर आपको अपने कॉफ़ी को गर्म भी रखना है, यू कैन जस्ट लाइक लिटरली पुट इट लाइक दिस, एंड धुआं यहाँ से भी निकल सकता है. इफ़ यू नीड अ स्मॉल स्पून यू कैन जस्ट पुट इट लाइक दिस. सो इफ़ यू हैव गेस्ट कमिंग, यू हैव किड्स कमिंग टू योर हाउस. किड्स तो नहीं बोलूँगी बिकॉज किड्स कैन ड्रॉप इट, बट थोड़े टीनेजर्स हों, दे वुड लव समथिंग लाइक दिस. एंड अ पर्सन लाइक मी हु इज़ इन देयर 30s वुड ऑल्सो लव इट. तो आप सोच सकते हैं कि ये क्यों बढ़िया है. और any questions around this that you want to know, you want to ask, please ask me. I'm very happy to answer those questions. So here I am, and that was my first product, and I am just going to mark it for you. So it's very important कि मैं mark करूँ so that you can just click on it, and yes, it's marked. It's the first product. Can you imagine the first product? Join live stream, and yes, it is on a 50% off, 820. Oh okay, hi, nice mug. Hi Apurva, hi Sabha, Ayush Mehra, thank you. Jatin, Karan, Khurana, hi. So yes, there are a lot of products in my cart. You can check all of them out. There are some like different categories जो हमने सब साथ में डाले. It's a really long live, so of course we have to make sure that there are a lot of products to talk about and discuss. Instead of tea, coffee, we can keep milk in it. Absolutely, Sandeep. Like if your child is not drinking milk, is in their teenager wala stage, and अच्छा सा cup होगा, so they like feel happy sitting with it and having milk also. So yes, of course you can use it for water, you can use it for milk, you can use it for black coffee, anything, any beverage, something cold also. Why only hot? So yeah, I like him. He's too cute. He's damn cute. एंड आई लाइक दीज लिटिल थिंग्स दैट दे ऐड ना, लाइक स्पून है तो शुगर स्टर करने के लिए फिर अलग से चम्मच नहीं देना, यू कैन जस्ट सर्व इट लाइक दिस एंड इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल. थोड़ा भारी है ऑफकोर्स, विथ द ढक्कन भारी है, अदरवाइज इफ यू सी द क्वालिटी इज डैम नाइस. बढ़िया है, बढ़िया है. प्राइस और भी अच्छा है क्योंकि डिस्काउंट पे है, सो ऑफ कोर्स आई एम गोना रिकमेंड दिस. एंड नेक्स्ट आई एम गोना वेट इट आउट. थोड़ा थोड़ा धीरे धीरे वी विल गो बिकॉज इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. एंड आई वांट मोर. संदीप पाखे, just kidding, sorry. Of course. So yes, thank you Ayush. Where are you from, बताएं ज़रा. एंड वी कैन any questions you have about any product जो आप मेरे कार्ट में देख रहे हैं और आप और जानना चाहते हैं उसके बारे में, I'm going of course tell you and we will talk about it. उसके अलावा बताएं भाई, अभी आज के इस बार वीकेंड के कोई प्लान्स हैं? इट्स नॉट जस्ट लाइक सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट की हम बात करें. वी ऑल्सो डिस्कस थिंग्स, एनी प्रोडक्ट्स दैट यू वांट टू रेकमेंड टू मी जो आप चाहते हो कि मैं ट्राई करूँ. सो प्लीज़ let me know and give me the link on my Instagram so I can actually just access that and share with you guys. So I will be reviewing the products that you recommend me as well, because I keep trying out a lot of products from Amazon and I think it's a really nice way to engage everyone, ताकि you also feel a part of my life and hence I'm able to help you better. Any different segment also that you need any help on, we can chat about that, we can always talk about that. And yes, अभी एक छोटे से और product, like the mug is right now for 600 rupees only. It's a very good gifting item also, like Diwali gift या regular gifting के लिए, corporate gifting के लिए भी you can consider this. And yeah, the ratings are really high, 4.5 stars है, 828 people have reviewed it. So and I'm also recommending it, so yes, it is a good buy, you can go ahead with it, you don't have to contemplate too much. अब एक product है जो देखने में, hi, you from Gurgaon, okay, share the fabric and other details of doormat, which one to buy. Yes, doormat के लिए let me tell you, there is this, oh I like the fact that, so there is this doormat from Elegant Weavers, okay, they have I think बहुत उनका wide range है in terms of carpets, in terms of doormat, in terms of bedding and towels, and yes, this is the one I ordered. I ordered this one for a specific reason, because I love the shape of it. Regular वाले doormats तो बहुत मिलेंगे, and वो of course, like if you just go on their page, if you go on Amazon, you will find lots of options, in fact designs and things like that. But just look at this. I love the light blue, the way they've blended it in. थोड़े dark colors है maximum, जो बहुत ज़रूरी है for a doormat to have, because वो जल्दी वरना गंदा लगने लग जाता है. But I just love जो ये blue से हल्का सा उन्होंने play किया है to just give it that little flair. The quality is damn neat यार. Plastic ये जो है इसका rubber, it's really good. It's quite neat, and you get a set of 2. और इसकी price point क्या है? Let's check out the price of this. It's on 60% discount. Okay, so I think is it not at all heavy? It's quite light. It's quite light, and yeah, it feels really nice. And साफ करना भी I think आसान होगा. Is it washable? Is maybe a question that a lot of people might want to ask. Yes, you can, but first you have to just basically try to vacuum it. उसी से साफ हो जाएगा 99.9%. Otherwise you can wash it also. So yes, and it's not heavy, it's very lightweight. So for 400 rupees you're getting 2 of these. Okay, so I have one here and I'm keeping one here because I want this to be seen. And if you're looking for one, just go ahead. Though the ratings are the reviews इतने सारे नहीं हैं. Which one to buy? Please share the retail. Product is great, I wish to buy one, please. Shivam, ये रहा link, you can see it in the highlight नीचे, and you can just put it in your cart. In fact, you can check out all their other products as well. So it's a good brand. मैंने इसका carpet एक red color का बहुत पहले order किया था, and I loved it, and it lasted me years, like literally 10 साल. So the threads did not come out, so hence I kind of thought कि let me just look them up on Amazon, and guess what? I found them on Amazon. So yes, I don't know, वो red carpet अभी भी होगा मेरे पास actually. 10-15 साल चला है. It's a fact. So I was like ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती है जो बहुत मैटर करती हैं, and I think it's very important to give the right feedback. In fact, I'm also thinking of making smaller videos and sharing reviews of products once I order them and I get it. So let me know if you would like that. I would love to do that because बहुत सारे लोग पूछते रहते थे, are you on YouTube? I have not been doing a lot of YouTube, but I am on Instagram. You can check me out there. But any product details that you need, please join my live. Usually it's every Thursday at 2 p.m. And yeah, I will talk about it now. Let me talk to you about this eCraft India. अच्छा, पहली बात मैं बता दूँ, during the live, anytime you feel कि you want to go back to a product और किसी का आप डिटेल जानना चाहते हैं जिसके बारे में बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, like the whole idea of this live is that we can like chat and I can I can see your messages right here on my phone. So I can just like go back to that product and share some details or anything you want to know more about that product. बहुत सारे products हैं मेरे पास, like literally 23 products I have in hand right now or maybe more, and 40 products are there in my cart. So, and just imagine, like these are all smaller products. It's not like a lot of clutter. ये चीज़ें कहाँ घर में गायब हो जाती है ना, पता भी नहीं चलता. But I have already subscribed. You might forgot. Oh, thank you, Sandeep. Yes. Yes, you have. So eCraft का India करके एक brand है. Okay, now I'm not gonna like really rave about it. ये एक छोटा सा शो पीस है जो मुझे देखने में बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा था, but it is a little like it's good as a show piece. It's very lightweight. पहले मैं बता दूँ, ये देख लो, ये हिल रहा है already. So yeah, this is the thing. But point is, like you guys know that there are no like fake reviews. It's like it looks so pretty that even I ordered it. 74% discount पे है, but this is what I got and it's only for 317. Actually 370 के हिसाब से it's fine. But yeah, some finishing, some details are not like perfect. But yeah, if you're just looking to keep it on the side, अगर कोई उसको छूने नहीं वाला है तो रखा हुआ बुरा नहीं लग रहा. और just as a showpiece, I thought maybe it looked nice in one corner, but not too impressed, not too bad. Price point wise, it's good, but otherwise, if you say quality wise, it is a little ढीला. तो हम इसके बारे में और बातें नहीं करेंगे, हम आगे बढ़ेंगे because अब मैंने अपने कार्ट में डाला था, I had ordered it. I thought I will, it's a nice showpiece. Yes, absolutely, Sandeep, it's a nice showpiece. But like I said, it's just to be kept on the corner. If you're playing around with it, touch करोगे तो पता चल जाएगी quality. बिना touch के quality is great. Don't you agree? So yeah, so it's nice, and for 317 rupees, it's quite nice, I must say. But yeah, अगर ये 1200 का होता और मैंने ऑर्डर किया होता और ये ऐसा आता तो शायद मैं ओके नहीं होती इस बात से. So I genuinely feel it's like ठीक ठाक. Let's move on quickly to something different, something nice. There are so many products here with me. इसके एकदम ही बाजू में, like I said, बहुत different segments से, like home के पूरे segments से we have taken out products and attractive, stackable. एक मैंने ये stools order किया है for show pieces and everything, and I think it's nice in the sense that, okay, again little flimsy but very nice, useful in the sense कि बच्चों के रूम के लिए परफेक्ट है. कॉर्नर में रखा हो, शू रैक भी की तरह भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. ये ऐसे बन जाता है and it folds also, so it is not like something that it's like you can just take it out and push it and fold it. So yeah, it's like this. Ow, थोड़ा सा डर लगता है to do that, but guess that is what we have to do. So yeah, the sizes can increase and decrease. So I like products just where you can play around with it. Like अब अगर बैठे हो थोड़ा सा, it's not that sturdy, but for a shoe rack or just to keep books or something like that at the corner, it's perfect. The price point is great. So it's only for 484. Yeah, it's plastic material. Gunjan, hi, love the elegant weaver shape, man. Thank you, very unusual shape. Absolutely, I loved it too, and that's why I ordered it. In fact, the other stuff also there are a lot of colors available. Just you can check them out on Amazon. Just write that, and I'll show it to you again if you want, Gunjan. So, can you imagine? मैंने ऐसी वीडियो बनाया था ना जिसका lot of people are asking about it. So it's quite good to know that. and product is nice. I wish to buy. Yes, this is again, now going back to this is for 484. Again, you can just dismantle it like this, and then actually इसको ये कुंफू कराटे वाले स्टाइल से करना चाहिए. And this is the size, and when you want to just open it, it's like ting 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 ting, it's done, and you just lock it back, and you're done. Oh, because it's plastic, you know how it is, and the quality is good. I would not say bad. For the price, it's very good. अगर कोई अपने घर में ये लाइव देख रहा है और उसको चाहिए कि शू रैक चाहिए या कुछ ऐसा जो कभी ज़रूरत पड़े तो उसमें किताबें रख ली, बाद में इसको फोल्ड करके बेड के नीचे डाल दिया, तो उसके हिसाब से दिस इज़ रियली गुड. लाइक आई एम गोना जस्ट टैक इट डाउन लाइक दिस एंड कीप इट हियर. हल्का ऐसे से शेकी है, बट बुक्स एंड शूज़ के लिए आई थिंक इट्स फाइन, नॉट फॉर शो पीसेस और एनीथिंग, वरना वो गिर जाएगा. सो या, आई वुड रिकमेंड इट. Now let's quickly move to, yes, Elegant Weavers वाला आ गया वापस. It's for $3.99 again. Let me tell you. Let's move to more products because हमारे पास बहुत सारा सामान है. एक छोटा सा यूटिलिटी का सामान है जो मेरे पास है, which I really like, and I think ये तो सबको खरीदना चाहिए and हर घर में होना चाहिए. Of course I'm the person, आपको पता है कि मैं steam iron ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ, but जैसे कभी कभी you have cotton, you have linen, and you need to iron them. So please अपने bed पे iron मत करो, because there are so many nice products available where you can just fold it. Again, foldable, keep it under your bed for all you care. You can always order this. It's only for 1,000 rupees. ये ऐसे fold हो जाता है, आप इसको ऐसे भी bed पे रख के कर सकते हो. It'll really save you your bed and गद्दा. So I think mattress safe करना is really important. So yes, absolutely. ये सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं. It is a great brand. It's very very good quality. I completely agree with it. Like I can't agree more. In fact, the designs are also very good. There are a lot of options available on Amazon. They do bed linen also. They do bath, and I think they do carpets and of course foot mats. So like when it comes to all these things, सब कुछ मिलेगा. Cushion covers भी मिलेंगे. So you can check them out, and of course let me know if you liked it, you didn't like it, how is it. Now moving back to this was the Home Cube का है. This has 4.5 stars. 20 people have liked it, which is I think okay, but this is something that I highly recommend again because it's only 1,000 रुपये की चीज़ है, but बहुत काम की चीज़ है. Lot of times we forget about these small things. हम घर को तो सुंदर बना लेते हैं, but how to utilize the space, what are the things that you need. Sometimes we forget these things, and इन्हीं चक्करों में ना आधे mishaps होते हैं. Like मेरे बेड का गद्दा जल चुका है, तो मुझे पता है that pain, when you don't have that. And ever since that I realized that just having like a little iron stool which you can keep on your bed and iron clothes is a great idea. And again, it is something that only one size, not big. Actually this is the size that I have marked because this is like a multi-purpose thing और ये बहुत easily storeable है. And like you guys know कि आज हम products ही वैसे कर रहे हैं जो थोड़े से ना user friendly हो. You can put, मतलब I think it's fine, the size is fine. If you need a bigger one, I'm sure you will find it on Amazon. You don't have to look further for sure. तो ये तो आपको मिल ही जाएगा. And बड़े वाले बड़े common है. ये size जो है ना, यही इसका USP है because it's so tiny and nice. So yep, let's move on. Or any product that I've missed. Oh my god, okay, I have to show you this particular product. इसमें हमें एक साइड से दूसरे साइड जाना पड़ जाए, but let's first cover. Okay, let's not forget this. This is one of my favorite. इसके अंदर क्या छुपाया हुआ है नाशा ने? कुछ तो डाला हुआ है, of course. So my daughter is damn good with it. वो कभी भी कोई भी सामान उठा के she will just hide it under in a tissue paper box. This is a wooden one. It's beautiful. I have ting ting ting. It's very easy to keep like this. खुल जाता है, बहुत ही elegant है, very pretty. $4.99 का है, only $500. It looks really nice. Highly recommend. I have like 3 of the same in my house and I'm very very happy with it. So yes, of course, very easy, looks pretty, goes with a wooden setup, black या wood का अगर setup है या white है, और थोड़ा सा मतलब हर घर में चलेगा ये, मतलब ये ऐसी चीज़ है कि लोग पूछेंगे, and just the way it opens is amazing. So it's magnetic, so see, just open it like this, close it, and you can just refill it and keep it. So ये सभी लिख रहे. So yes, Prerna, that is true. That is absolutely true. You can actually go ahead and vouch for it. I'm sure you've tried it. Sure, I wish to buy. Absolutely, Sandeep. And this wooden box is also very very nice. That मतलब tissue paper box अगर ढूंढ रहे, just add it to your cart from here only. Don't like waste time. And where are the others? Is Apurv still there on the live कि चले गए? ओके, ये तो एक हो गया बड़ा ही बेसिक वाला टिश्यू पेपर बॉक्स जो हर घर में काम आता है एंड काम आएगा ही. ओके, Sabas damn cute, taking notes. But yeah, get this one, and I have got a really quirky one also, by the way, which I really liked. कहाँ गया मेरा वो छोटा सा? ओके, ऑड पॉड का है ये, 599 का है. अगेन वेरी क्यूट एंड वेरी नाइस. सो ऑड पॉड, नो ये है या उनका भी है और एक और ब्रांड का भी है, भी 499 का एक्चुअली. सो आई गॉट दिस ग्रीन वन. It's again very lightweight. You can just put the tissue paper like this. It opens like this, and you can just put the whole thing. वो पूरा आता है ना बंडल, अंदर ऐसे डाल दो, and you can just keep pulling out like that. Looks cute, and yeah, very like the rates are really good. 500 rupees, I think what you should spend. Now I will tell you, देखो उसमें already scratches हैं. Now this can happen with plastic, but this will not happen with this. So now you know. So ये बच्चे के कमरे के लिए ठीक है, but otherwise yeah, if it goes for your house decor, it will. मतलब वो दिख नहीं रहा. और मुझे कभी कभी आशमा, Aurora is also saying the same thing. Yes, Ashima. So yes, I'm sure you guys have all tried. These are the products right here with me. This is also a really nice vintage tissue paper box. It's cute as hell. Now let's quickly move to something which is हर घर की ज़रूरत. मेरे घर में तो और मेरी लाइफ में तो हमेशा हमेशा एक डिफ्यूज़र या कोई नाइस वो फ्रेगरेंस वाले स्टिक्स जो आते हैं, एवरीथिंग इज़ ऑलवेज देयर, बिकॉज आई थिंक पीपल रियली अंडरमाइन दिस, बट आई थिंक यू शुड रियली कंसिडर इट, बिकॉज जैसे ही कोई आपके घर में घुसता है, सबसे पहली चीज़ इज़ the vibe of the house, and a lot of it is set by the fragrance. So if you have like अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है, why do we put perfume, guys? Because you just feel better about yourself, and also when you meet somebody they have a good impression. So अगर आपके घर कोई आ रहा है और आपके घर से वो amazing वाली खुशबू नहीं आ रही है, then you are losing out on something. So let's quickly move that side. ये तो अच्छी बात है कि अच्छा उसमें लाइट भी है. मैं तो मैट पे बैठूंगी, एलिगेंट वीवर्स वाले. So yeah, you can sit on this mat also, by the way, and this is perfect. So this is right here. ये 1500 रुपये का. Okay, so and it comes with a really nice remote. Let me show it you, and I will just switch it on. Can you see that light? ये हटा देता, and just look at that. Just look at the vibe. Fragrance is really nice, and you can just increase the mist का. ये देखो, and the best part is there's a sound that comes. Can you hear it? एक हल्की सी droplets वाली sound आ रही है. You get a little छोटा सा fragrance का bottle which you just need to put it in, right? Some water in this, and that's it. We're good to go. Okay, I can smell it. Very very nice. Just see. If I actually switch off the AC of this side, then you'll be able to see it better. But I just hope, can you see it properly? दिख रहा है ये अच्छे से? Yeah, 248 people have bought it. Yeah, it's really nice and different ना. ये रेगुलर वाले जो फ्रेग्रेंस डिफ्यूजर्स है उससे थोड़ा हटके है, थोड़ा अच्छा है, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. सो आई लाइक इट. Yeah. And you can just do this high low. You can just do the lighting also. You want the light, you don't want the light, that also depends on you. So it's a great product and one must consider. Raining so bugging. Yes, I'm sure it's raining only where you're living, Sabha. Rest, I don't think it's raining anywhere else. Here it's hot as hell. Not so hot. I don't know Delhi में weather कैसा है भाई? कोई दिल्ली से देख रहा है ये live? I'm planning to come to Delhi, guys. खुला हुआ है ये इसमें से. हाँ, just need to put few drops, right? That's it. Very subtle वाला खुशबू सा है. And it's beautiful. इसको मैं तेज़ कर देती हूँ, देखते हैं कितनी जल्दी पूरे. अच्छा ओके, ये खुद ही ऑटोमेटेड है, सडनली तेज़ होगा फिर धीरे हो जाएगा. And like that, so it's a nice one. You can think about it, you can get it, and quickly let's. मेरे पीछे क्या रखा है ये? मेरे पीछे ये क्या? ओह लाइक इट. सी, ये जब लाइटिंग चेंज होती है ना तो सब चेंज हो जाता है. Just see that. Samarth, what is this? Under 18. Oh, I think Sameer Chaudhary, thank you for following me. It's really nice. Yeah, it's not like it became hot. Oh, okay. That is sad. I'm planning to come to Delhi, by the way, and जैसे ही ये हम लाइट की बात कर रहे हैं, there is a beautiful light that I have with me. Is this a nice standing lamp? I think it is so pretty. It is only for 1579. You can just see it. It has that jute vibe to it. The lighting is fab. It looks pretty. It is good height के हिसाब से. You can just place it in one corner and yeah, it's gonna be cool. So अगर आप देख रहे हैं side lamp, standing lamp, then this one you can go for. It has like 4 star मिले हुए हैं. 61 people have reviewed it. Reviews हमेशा पढ़ने चाहिए भाई. तो ये बहुत बढ़िया है. ये मैट भी comfortable है to sit. आई हम डोर मैट पे हम बैठने वाले लोगों में से हैं because it's a pretty one. So oh, समीर ने जाके चेकआउट भी कर लिया प्रोडक्ट्स. नाइस नाइस, आई एम ग्लैड यू डिड. दिस इज अमेजिंग एंड कम बैक टू माई लाइफ एंड कीप पुटिंग एवरीथिंग इन योर कार्ट ऑल्सो सो दैट यू नो पता हो आपको कि अच्छे अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने आपको रिकमेंड किए. लेट्स क्विकली मूव टू. ये सामने मैंने क्या रखा है? छोटी सी चीज़. ये छोटी सी चीज़ है पर ये बहुत क्यूट है. इट्स अ सेट ऑफ 3 दैट यू गेट एंड इट्स वेरी वेरी प्रिटी. दिस इज़ बेसिकली फॉर दोस प्लांटर्स. Like test tubes है ऐसे. You can, it comes with a double tape, so you can just stick it on, like you know, on this. Actually this is a vase again. You can just stick it on this like this on the side and it will look pretty. Let me just, should I stick it and show it to you guys? बताओ भाई. Oh my god. अच्छा ये भी बात कर लेते हैं. Glimpse Homes का ये ceramic vase है, बहुत ही pretty है. इसको हम पहले दिखा देते हैं and then we will stick this and you can check it out for sure. Because there are so many products. आज टाइम जल्दी I hope चला गया है. समझ नहीं आया. It's like just 2:30 already and I'm like oh my god, that was like fast. And I like it when I have so many products to talk about and you know when you guys are chatting with me, it's always so nice like that. So, yep. So we have this from Glimpse Home ceramic, which is like this. It's heavy duty, very very good quality. Like just look at the inside. Again please इसमें पानी अगर आप डाल रहे हैं तो firstly try to keep it for dry flowers because there's no hole or anything and you can't actually plant anything here. Just some water you can put in. So it's not a planter like that wala planter. It is just like a vase, that showpiece wala. You can just put some water, put fresh flowers or put flowers that you get on Amazon, which look like they're fresh flowers but they're actually artificial. So क्योंकि मैंने वो बहुत सारे खरीद के अपने घर में ना किसी किसी कोने में रखे हुए हैं, बिकॉज दूर से तो वो एकदम ही रियल लगते हैं बट होते नहीं है. बट putting in a vase like this will really look nice. Even if it doesn't have flowers, actually it still looks pretty on the side. So in your living room you want to keep something on the side, you can just go pick this up. It's only for $1,000, very good for gifting as well. So yes, I like him, he's really cute, he's really nice. And there is another product with it जो आया था मेरे पास. अच्छा guys, any particular product that you want me to talk about, जो आप देख रहे हो जिसके मैंने अभी तक बात नहीं करी, वो आप मुझे बता देना. वैसे मैं सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बात करूँगी, यू डोंट हैव टू वरी, बट स्टिल कोई डिटेल जानना चाहे तो आप बीच में पूछ सकते हैं मुझसे, बिकॉज वी आर चैटिंग राइट. सो या आई कैन सी संदीप इज Sameer, Sandeep, Sabha, oh my god, so many S and A's now on the chat. Apurv, Saurabh. Okay, I have a thing, and very close friends of mine are also all S. So yeah, S A. Only Jatin and Prerna are two people. Then Vaishali Gunjan. Let's not miss out that. Yeah, yes, all S. It's all. So it's nice. Let's quickly go to this small piece that I've got here from Bombay Greens test tube, which is like, hi, okay, R came along. He's like, अरे सिर्फ S की बात कैसे हो रही है, मैं भी तो हूँ. Hi Ravinder ji, how are you? Where are you from? And any product जिसके बारे में आप जानना चाहते हैं, मेरे कार्ट में आप चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. You can ask me here on this live. I will show it to you live. Plus minus उसका सारा मैं आपको बता दूँगी. And yeah, if you have any questions you can always ask me. So अब मैं इसको ऑफ कर रही हूँ, ये डिफ्यूज़र, फ्रेग्रेंस डिफ्यूज़र फटाफट ये ऑफ हो गया है. There I can hear my daughter from the side wanting to sneak out and come, and if she comes तब तो होगी तबाही, मज़ा ही आ जाएगा फिर. You know, so many times she's just walked into the live, and these bikers, let's not forget, but I'm gonna talk loudly. Darshan Patel, thank you so much. Actually Darshan, आज सुबह से मेरा शूट था, so I've been like this since running around since morning. So I was not, I forgot to do a touch up also actually. Yes, can I see your sweet daughter? Yes, you can. You can follow me on Instagram and see her. And she has walked into my live impromptu and sold products on my live. I don't know how, but it's too cute. So let's go back to this. Like literally, no, she'll pick it up. अभी क्या है ना, काफ़ी breakable item भी है मेरे आसपास. So I'm a little scared to call her. When there are more kids things, then I do my live with her. So Bombay Greens का है ये. Very nice, very pretty. You can just stick it in corners and put some water and these, like, you know, छोटे छोटे plants जो आते हैं वो डाल सकते हो, and it'll look really nice. For artificial plants also it's very nice. Let's see if it sticks. इस पे ही ceramic में चिपका के देखते हैं, दो वो थोड़ा सा uneven है. For you know, normal plain wall पे it will look nicer, but let's check it out. I would do this, you know, just imagine having flowers and some greens coming. हाँ, कान ऐसा लग रहा है, कान है इसके, ऐसा लग रहा है ना. yeah man, that's such a cool idea. Oh yes, मैंने एक प्रोडक्ट को कितना इनोवेट कर दिया. अब नेक्स्ट टाइम पता चला सिरामिक वाले वाज ही ऐसा बना रहे. ऐसा ही लग रहा है कि उसके कान दोनों तरफ लगा दोगे तो यू कैन जस्ट हैव लाइक डू थोड़े से प्लांट यहाँ से गिरते हुए, एंड देन फ्रेश फ्लावर्स विल लुक लाइक. कर दिया खराब, क्यों खराब करा यार. दैट्स अ पर्सनल चॉइस यार. मैं फिर भी दिखा रही थी, चलो हटा देती हूँ. नहीं इतनी आसानी से हट नहीं रहा. नहीं हट गया, ऐसे थोड़ी है यार इतना. Yeah, it's 3 mm वाला double tape, but yeah, new investigation. Yeah, of course man, that's the whole idea of, you know, दो कान लगा दो इसके साइड में. इन्वेंशन की इन्वेस्टिगेशन लिखा है. हाँ, इन्वेस्टिगेशन लिखा है, इन्वेंशन होना चाहिए ना. सब यार हमारे सब मतलब भावनाओं को समझो वाला केस है ये शब्दों पे मत जाओ, भावनाओं को समझो, है कि नहीं संदीप. मैं समझ रही हूँ ना आप क्या बोल रहे हो. हम नहीं जाते हैं चीज़ों में. येस एब्सोल्युटली. सो दैट इज़ द आइडिया. मैं इसको चिपकाने की दोबारा कोशिश करी, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट इट टू गेट स्पॉइल्ड. बिकॉज जब मैं इसको अपने एक्चुअल वॉल पे लगाऊंगी, क्योंकि मैं घर में पूरे घूम के, ऐसे भी मेरा घर इज़ लाइक हाफ अमेजोन नाउ, So it is owned by Amazon. Tomorrow Amazon can just walk in and be like, this is also mine, this couch is also mine, this is also mine. So thank God that's never gonna happen, and it is like amazing. But yep, now I've saved it so I can use it. And I really like these Chutusa test tubes. So you get a set of three, not one, and for the price, it's great because it's literally सिर्फ 200 रुपए का है. Actually, as a return gift also, it's really nice. Like if you want to give plants or something, like a small thing, you can just, like a cheap person like we can actually just put one in every box and add it to the return gift. तो literally फिर 200 रुपए का पड़ेगा. सोचना पड़ता है ना, ये सब चीज़ें सोचनी पड़ती है थोड़ी सी ना, दिमाग लगा के कि कितने सेट ऑर्डर करने हैं. सो या इट्स अ गुड गिफ्ट टू गिव. एंड हमने इतनी बातें करी अबाउट फ्रेगरेंसेज एंड what, like how important it is. You saw this one, this is a new addition to the family. I saw it on Amazon and I was like ये different है, thank God, because I was also like bored of the, एक तो ये अगली वाले मुझे बहुत ख़राब लगते हैं, वो जो बड़े वाले आते हैं, एंड वो बड़े वाले ही हैं जो बड़े घरों में एक्चुअली आर इफेक्टिव सैडली, बिकॉज डिफ्यूजर्स आर गुड फॉर बाथरूम्स. आई फील जो छोटे वाले होते हैं ना, जैसे ये स्टिक वाले लाइक दिस एंड कैंडल्स आर रियली गुड फॉर बाथरूम्स. दे लुक रियली प्रिटी एंड नाइस. अभी आना शुरू नहीं हुआ है ना इसकी खुशबू, नहीं आ रही थी, बहुत बहुत माइल्ड स्मेल है, बट इट्स रियली नाइस. आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट गोना टेक सम टाइम. इट्स लिटिल न्यू, but I loved it because again something new. हमने इतने सारे डाले हुए हैं पुराने lives में, like we have done Miniso, we have done so many brands. Ravindra, thank you so much. But when I saw this Blue Campa, something it's written, it's very nice. Actually, forget about the fragrance also. Just the bottle itself is so pretty कि I would buy it, and I would just buy those bigger bottles of fragrances and keep refilling it because it's beautiful. So this is truly an investment. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको ये खत्म हो गया तो उसको फेंकना है, because मैं तो नहीं फेंकने वाली इसको, मैं तो रीयूज करूँगी इसको. So I would like order one piece every month, put it in all the bathrooms, put it in the room, bedroom side, buy this big bottle of sage का मिलता है refillables, refill it and use it for as long as possible because it looks really pretty. कोई नहीं कह सकता यार, मतलब ये just on the side table kept will look so nice. कहाँ आपका फेस टेबल पे रखा था, हटा क्यों दिया? अच्छा मेरा फेस, वो हटा दिया बिकॉज मैं ये दिखाना चाहती थी. क्यों आपको उस फेस से प्यार हो गया, आपको वो अच्छा लग रहा है, आप उसको ऑर्डर करके अपने घर में भी रख सकते हो शिवम. देयर इज़ no problem at all. So just order that if you like it and get it to your house. Why waste time? Okay guys, so there is another product that I have been personally using, love it is this really nice crystal glass के container like with candles. Wait मैं थोड़ी सी चीज़ें यहाँ से ना shift कर देती हूँ so that I can like show it to you guys properly. Okay, this is again topic ना आज का. I really like it. I think this was really nice, and there is one more thing that I have really liked from today's order is this. I really like this also on the side, the blue color one. It's just adding quite a bit. So yeah, I can actually smell that. ये तो मैंने off कर दिया था, and I could just smell something nice. So I was like, okay, what is it? Then I realized ये वाला है, और मैं इसको एकदम नाक के पास भी ले गई थी, वो अलग बात है. और मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ एलिगेंट वीवर्स के मैट पे. Oh my god, I've got a set of comb also. I'll show you it up, and a throw, and this mat is also there. इसका लिंक भी है आपके पास, ये रहने देती हूँ. अभी डाला नहीं ना मैंने बाथरूम में, तो फिर वाई अभी इसको मैं ऊपर रह देती हूँ. ये सेमी सर्कल वाला डिज़ाइन बड़ा अच्छा लगा मुझे. लाइक जस्ट यू एंटर, इट्स नाइस. Oh, by the way, I just realized that वो वेलकम वाले मैट्स ना, you should not. I've been following these really like lot of these astrology वाले videos on Instagram, and somebody said that entrance पे जो home mats पे welcome नहीं लिखा होना चाहिए. कुछ अच्छा दिखाओ, follow कर लूँगा. Okay, so you can just check this out. Oh शिवम, मतलब can you imagine this set? It is only for 850. ये crystal का है, और इसके अंदर कैंडल्स हैं. by the way, just see, bumbleberry. It looks pretty as hell, will last really long, and fragrance वाले कैंडल्स हैं. Smells amazing. Amazing gift to give. अगेन अगर आप 800 का ही देना चाहते हैं, 500 का देना चाहते हैं, तो जो ज़्यादा वैल्यूबल लोग हैं उनको एक चिपका दो, जो छोटे हैं उनको एक दे दो, फिर भी वो खुशी होके जाएंगे। बिकॉज ये तो फ्रेग्रेंस वाले कैंडल्स बहुत लोग देते हैं दिवाली पे, बट आई फील उसमें भी ना थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाओगे तो अच्छी चीज़ मिल जाएगी। बिकॉज ये ना ये ऐसी चीज़ है जो किसी को आप दोगे तो उसको अच्छा लगेगा। ओह सस्ते नशे, ओ माय गॉड, अभी 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 इसको अमेजोन ब्लॉक करने वाला है। सो शिवम, क्या आप फॉलो करोगे? आप भी ब्लॉक हो जाओगे उल्टा, आप मुझे कह रहे हो। ओह सो यप, शिवम कुमार, दिस इज़ फॉर यू। अच्छी अच्छी खुशबू सूंघो एंड यू विल फील बेटर अबाउट लाइफ। आपको बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी इसकी। सो दैट्स द आइडिया, राइट? एंड नाउ अगेन there is still time, guys. We have a lot of time. We can talk about this. But एक प्रोडक्ट है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आया, which I really like, is Pure Home and Living का। Again, very good for gifting. दिवाली आई नहीं, दिवाली पे तो हम करेंगे। देखो देखो, हाइड, अमेजोन ने हाइड कर दिया इसका। So yes, is this really beautiful candle stand, guys? So oh my god, this is so nice. Is this, it's heavy duty, yeah? It's not lightweight, it's proper heavy. इसके अंदर कैंडल भी हेवी है और ये बहुत खूबसूरत है, ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत है। टी टाइम, यप, एब्सोल्युटली टी लाइट कैंडल अंदर जा रही है। नॉट टी लाइट, एक्चुअली इट्स अ प्रॉपर कैंडल, दिस थिंग। यू कैन जस्ट पुट इट लाइक दिस ऑन द साइड, लुक्स स्टनिंग, and I'm of course going to place this on the side and put like the candles already inside and light it up, because I know it will, you know, add a lot of niceness to the whole living room or bedroom. And if you just want to do like a dim light setup, you can have a lamp like this with some candles lit and you are lit. So Rajesh K, hi, thank you for following me. Where are you from? कुछ बताएं, so हमें भी और पता चलेगा आपके बारे में। So yes, and any products you guys want to see again, you want to know more about. आज तो सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे पास comments आए about Elegant Weavers, so that has been one thing. This decor house, मुझसे नहीं पूछा ये, अरे कहाँ से हैं आप शिवम, बताइए। बिल्कुल पूछ रही हूँ मैं आपसे, बताइए कहाँ गए आप। एंड दिस डेकोर हाउस का ये फ्रेग्रेंस वाला जार, दिस हैज़ जस्ट स्टोलन माई हार्ट। So I love it. Just order it. Thank me later. And okay, of course, a nice sitting is so important. Is this right here from Home Access, printed. These are called puffies. Okay, so you just put it on the side, and it looks really nice. So it's very comfortable to sit and very lightweight. You can keep moving it around, very easy to pick up, and yeah, it's nice, it's comfortable. I have been using it for quite some time. Oh, थोड़ा मैट से उठ गए हम भी थोड़ा। So yeah, these puffies are nice, जो आप बिल्कुल ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। Rich, hi, thank you for following me. आखिर टूट जाता है शीशा तो ये भी दर्शन पटेल, I just saw your message. शीशा हो या दिल हो, क्रेजी मत तोड़ो दिल, मत तोड़ो शीशा, खुश रहो और रहने दो। अगेन अ वेरी स्मॉल प्रोडक्ट विच इज़ वेरी वेरी यूजफुल। देखो ये तो मैंने आपको दिखा दिया, ये सिर्फ 1799 का है, विच इज़ 1800 bucks. इट्स रियली नाइस। बट यस, शकीर अंसारी, हेलो हाय, हाउ आर यू? And let's check this out. Oh, मैंने वो कोम का सेट गिरा दिया, but I want to show you guys this. उफ, मैंने नींबू पानी बनवाया था कि मैं पी लूँगी, और आप लोगों से बातें करते 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 मैं भूल गई बिल्कुल, एंड मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं पिया। आई थिंक शक्कर डालना ही भूल गया ना वो। ओहो, why didn't you tell me? That's quite a bummer. So स्माइल ड्राइव का टी कोड, ठीक है, मैथ्स है। ओके, सो यू कैन जस्ट पुट इट लाइक लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स कोस्टर्स के साथ हम स्ट्रगल करते हैं, राइट? एंड पीपल लाइक, जैसे मेरे घर में ये सोफ़ा है, it will just take the shape and it'll just be like this, and I can just put it. So I can just put my glass right here और वो गिरेगा नहीं, and there is no stress. So something like this is, again, it's a small product, budget friendly, but very very useful. Amit Ganju, सही बोला ना मैंने? गांजू, हाय, हाउ आर यू, वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? रिट्स, हेलो, हाउ आर यू, कहाँ के हैं बताएं ज़रूर. एंड ये जो है ये 1249 का है. इट्स अ लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव, बट बिकॉज इट्स teak wood and it's going to last you long, that is why the price is like this. So प्लीज़ ऐसा मत सोचिएगा कि ये चीप क्वालिटी है और ये 1200 रुपये का मैं क्यों खरीदूँ, बट ये बहुत यूज़फुल चीज़ है. तो अगर आपके घर में ऐसी सेटिंग है जैसे मेरे घर में है, जो मोस्टली होती है, it is really nice. And again, you can put it on the table also, and you can put it like this as well. So it's very useful like that, and you can check it out. Now let's quickly go to some more products. I've got so many things right now here for you. Let me go through my list. अगर कुछ मिस हो रहा होगा तो मैं ज़रूर बताऊंगी. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. ये भी हो गया, ये भी दिखा दिया, ये भी दिखा दिया, ये भी दिखा दिया, ये भी दिखा दिया. ओके, नैचमैन का ये वाज है, वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. अरे बहुत सस्ता मिल रहा है यार, ये बहुत महंगा था. या इट्स फॉर 3000 4000, बट यू गेटिंग इट ओनली फॉर 1599. तो किसी को अगर आपको इम्प्रेस करना है तो प्लीज़ खरीद लो अभी के अभी. डोंट वेस्ट टाइम. Manga carpets, yes, carpets are also there. It's actually let me show you. मेरे इसमें है, मैंने डाला था. वैसे एलिगेंट वीवर्स के कार्पेट्स भी आते हैं. सो यू कैन जस्ट, ये रहा देखो, एक और डोर मैट मैंने डाला है ब्राउन कलर का, विच इज़ रियली नाइस. यू कैन चेक दिस आउट, एंड दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन Amazon listed. So you can just pick up carpets also from them, and you will clearly not regret, because yes, it's a brand that I've tried and trust. So trusted brand है, तो कोई इतना टेंशन नहीं है. And Amazon है, अगर कभी लगे भी. Yes, Elegant Weavers is available on Amazon. I have just marked a product of theirs. It's a doormat. But when you go on their page, you can just type Elegant Weavers and the whole listing will come, जिसमें वो सारे product जो आप चाहते हो, बेड लिनन भी है, towels भी है, carpets भी है, rugs भी है. You can just check it out. So yeah. So I was showing you this really beautiful vase, which is from Nashman. It is right now for only 1599. Please, अगर आपको किसी को गिफ्ट करना है, फ्यूचर में भी शादी में जानी है किसी के, तो ये तो ऑर्डर कर लो. थैंक यू बोलोगे मुझे, बिकॉज ये I've used their products, amazing quality. Yes, people have used. So that means people do check out brands also on Amazon. Like मैं पहले इतना ध्यान नहीं देती थी, मैं सिर्फ रिव्यूज़ और स्टार्स देखती थी. बट नाउ लेटली, like this brand I know, it's not only from Amazon, I know it otherwise also, because it's a crystal के वाजेस बनाते हैं, बहुत महंगे होते हैं. बट अब भी Amazon पे ये सिर्फ 1600 का मिल रहा है, जो आपको कभी नहीं मिलेगा. लाइक आई वुड से, लाइक यू गोइंग फॉर दिस एंड दिस, क्वालिटी में ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी हैवी, इट्स वेरी प्रिटी, एंड या इट इज़ अ गिफ्ट दैट समबडी विल रिमेंबर. So I think that is also really something that makes a difference. And एक्सटो का ceramic blue golden, ये cute से birds है. Again, a very cute nice showpiece that I can show you, which is which I keep on the side. Looks really pretty. You get a set of 2. They say it's lucky, feng shui and stuff like that. So yeah, काला नहीं पड़ा है, काफ़ी टाइम से मेरे घर पे है. So they look cute together. You can just keep it on the side table on the side, and yeah, just admire it. So if you're looking for a small showpiece, something like this has hurt no one, and very good to gift as well. So hello, it's only for 549 rupees. These little birdies right here. Prices are great. I think great. Another product जिसके prices बहुत ही बढ़िया है, मतलब amazing है, is this. Are these candle stands यार? मतलब मैंने ना सिमिलर कैंडल स्टैंड गोवा के किसी फैंसी से स्टोर में देखा था फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 12,000 रुपीज़, एंड आई हैव गॉट दीज फॉर 1800, एंड दे आर एग्जैक्ट सेम. होते ना वो जो विंटेज हेरिटेज टाइप के स्टोर्स, and then you find a brand like this which is selling the same thing. It's very lightweight, let me tell you, and it is a set of 3 which is only for 1849. So इट्स अमेजिंग. एंड उसके बाजू में ये कैंडल्स भी मैंने मार्क किए आपके लिए. श्रद्धा कलेक्शन के वैक्स कैंडल्स विच आर फॉर 2 आए थे क्यूट से रेड कलर के. इट वॉज फॉर वैलेंटाइंस डे का कुछ शूट करना था मुझे, तो मैंने ये ऑर्डर किए थे कैंडल्स. सो दिस इज़ फॉर यू नो 49 like not even $500. And there's a lot of work that goes into these candles when you make designs on them, so one must appreciate that. And वो दिखता है. So but ये handicraft राव्या का है ये. And ये बहुत ही बढ़िया है. It's really nice. And if you're looking for a candle stand, this is something that I will 100% recommend. Then you have, see, now again I'll show you the difference. Is that these are like very nice, rustic, and have a very different vibe. And then Elementary has these really nice stands. Again, it's a brand, so it's for 1190, which is these stands that you get. So this is there for almost 1200 rupees. And then you have this other thing, so it's kind of like whatever कि ठीक है, I would both have a different feel and vibe. Of course ये quality wise थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छा है, but देखने में if you'll ask me, this is equally good, like if not better. Then if you're looking for LED candles, this is the brand I suggest. ये रहा, looks very classy, looks very good. remote के साथ आता है, on off हो जाता है. It is a very nice product to have in your house. I'm going a little fast because I didn't realize बातें करते करते इतना टाइम हो गया है. एंड ये भी रह गया हमारा नेस्टासिया का कॉटन निट थ्रो. लिविंग रूम में थ्रो होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी नाइस. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट आई विल मेंशन वन मोर प्रोडक्ट. इज दिस, आई हैव यूज्ड इट. दिस इज़ लाइक एक्चुअली जस्ट स्टेज. शूटिंग हो, गाड़ी हो, ट्रैवल हो, you cannot go wrong with this throw. The quality is fabulous. Size is good. This is the size. It's a nice size. इतना लंबा है, 5 फुट है बेसिकली, और बहुत ही बढ़िया है. Looks nice, just kept on the sofa like that, अच्छे से. And yeah, you're good to go. In fact, I just ordered a Urban Monk का neem comb also, जिसका 5 का सेट है. And this is only for 349. Very nice product. We love this. It has a little pointy thing, very easy to hold, easy to comb. Yes, if you have tangled hair, then it might be a little difficult, but otherwise it's a really nice product. ये वाले भी है. So 5 combs आ जाते हैं. Pranit Ganveer, Amazon customer, started following you. Thank you so much, guys. Going back to the little things that we loved from today's session was, of course, this candle stand, that diffuser, this fragrance holder, which I'm going to just mark for you. You can check it out. And how can I forget this, जिसके बारे में तो बहुत बात हुई है लेकिन वीवर्स की. So a really nice pretty doormat. Different colors, shapes, sizes are available. You can check it out. And saying that, I think another product that I'd highly recommend is this. I think for $5.99, if you can reuse it, it's a great product to have. So I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. बहुत सारा मज़ा आ गया, and it has been a fun journey. I don't think I'll be coming live next week and next week after that, but उसके बीच में if I'm coming live, you can always follow my Instagram. I put up stories. So yep, Pranita_Pandit is my handle. Follow me on Instagram and you will get to know when I'm live again. Rest, if you follow me on Amazon, you will know that too. So thank you guys. Have a good weekend. Lots of love. Bye.